Taranipal Suba Lok Sabha Mikhalda Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency dagi Indian National Congress ki ticket tamai pakhiba Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoizam ngase Lok Sabha gi member oina Maitai Londa wasak laukhre. Pro-Tem Speaker Bhartru Hari Mahatap na chair lauduna pangthokiba wasak laugi thoram maduda Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoizam na hai God Ay Angomcha Bimol Akoizam Lok Sabha gi thoburoi misakama oina khanbiraklaba maramna ay hakna taibang palbu sembi sabiba sidaba mapu panjaduna wasak chari madude ayna lingkraba Bharat ki lengak lon chanapathapo ayna tasengna thazaba amade pukning sengna ningsaba ujagane loinana Bharat ki ning tamba amade amatu oiba saktambu ayna yokhat jagani amasung ayna paikhat kadoriba lokhat kadoriba ithaudang sing pukchel sengna pangthuk jagane Jai Hind Ima Lebak ni yaifare Manipur Ima ni yaifare unquote. Nakalamaromda Taranipal Suba Lok Sabha Mikhalda Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency dagi Indian National Congress ki ticket mai pakhiba Alfred Kangam S. Arthur Sunga si wasak lauke. Mahak na wasak lauba aduda lebag asige ning tamba amasung amatoy bagi saktam ngakani haibagi wafam phongdokhe. Wasak lauba adu loisilakpada Manipur gi damag ajumba wayal fangalo amade lebag asig kalu haiba wafam singso phongdok lamkhe.
Ai Angomcha Bimol Akoizam Lok Sabha gi thoburoi misak amoina khanbiraklaba maramna aihakna taibung palbu sembi sabiba sidaba mapubu panjaduna wasak sari madudi aina lingkraba Bharat ki lengak lon chanapathapu aina tasengna thazaba amadi pukning sengna ningjaba uchagani loinana Bharat ki ningtamba amadi amatto oiba saktambo aina yokhat jagani amasung aina paikhat kadoriba lokhat kadoriba ithaudang sing pukchel sengna pangthok jagani Jai Hind Ima Lepakna yaifare Manipur Imana yaifare.
I, Alfred Kangam Shangshakoshi Arthur, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Manipur mein nyay dilaiye, desh bachaiye. Thank you.